Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Nissan Murano, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants from the lens with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or some type of coating, you can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. Then you're going to need a clean microfiber towel as well in order to remove all the contaminants. And while you're doing your prep, clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. So we're going to start off with piece number one. So with this one, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just make sure we lay the film and align it to the edge right here. So it should just fall into place like this. You will have some of the material wrap around the curve here. So to make things easier, so you can know how much material you need to wrap around here, start your alignment here. So go ahead, align it as close to the edge as possible. Once you have it aligned, carefully lift it and apply tack solution underneath. And then on top of the film, make sure it doesn't move. Keep it aligned and start tagging it down. Remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film and work your way towards this side. So once we secured this section here, we're just going to slowly work our way to this end here. So make sure it stays aligned too as well. And once we have it aligned, apply tack solution underneath, and on top, grab your squeegee and just finish off the install. And then any remaining film that we have on the edge hanging, that's the film we could wrap around. So remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And to help tack down the edges here to wrap it around the headlight here, we're going to apply heat. You could use a heat gun or a hair dryer in order to help it wrap around and stay tacked down. Okay, so go ahead and just grab your tack solution, spray it right on the edge, grab your heat device, use the lowest setting on your device, and focus on applying heat evenly on the edge right here. And then once we applied enough, the film should lose the tension and be able to wrap around the edge here. Okay, so once you apply heat, just grab your microfiber towel and just help it tack down around the curve. And just do this until it stays tacked down and we should be good. And that's pretty much it. Once we make sure it stays tacked down, go ahead and just start applying heat throughout the entire edge. That way the film starts to seal and it doesn't lift over time. And then we'll move on to the top headlight. Okay, so for the last piece here, just go ahead and apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just align it to the edge right here. Align it to the edge, lift it carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. And everything else we'll just adjust as we go just make sure this is aligned first. So hold it in position and carefully start tightening it down. Remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Make sure it doesn't get misaligned. Okay, double check and just make sure that the film stays tacked down, and also make sure that you remove all of the solution underneath the film. And now all we need to do is just do a small little stretch in order to reach it to the edge right here. So just stretch it just a little bit. It's on the edge now. Hold it in position. You can start applying tack solution underneath, that way the adhesive is able to activate faster. So since we lifted it, we will need to stretch it just a little bit again up until the edge right here. So just hold it and grab your squeegee and just finish off the remaining section here of the headlight. Okay, so just remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. That way we could tack it down and secure it, and we should be good. So make sure it stays aligned to as well. Okay, and then once we finish tacking it down, just make sure, like I said, you don't leave any water bubbles, because once we start sealing the edges, if you do have any remaining water bubbles, you won't be able to remove them. So before you seal, double check that there's no water bubbles. Okay, and then to seal, we will do it like how we did it here. Just apply heat all over the edge, and then we should be good. So grab your heat gun, start applying heat throughout the edge, and you could use your microfiber towel to help tack down the edges. Okay, and then once we're done with the install, the last thing to do would be to post heat both lenses. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation for the headlight tint is to post heat everything. So you're going to need your tack solution and spray it onto the lens. You're going to need your microfiber towel in order to help tack down the edges and also help remove any solution that's trapped around those edges. And we're going to need our heat device to apply heat. That way we help those edges tack down faster, and also we help the adhesive on the entire film activate faster. So use the lowest setting, apply heat evenly, take your time doing this, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Nissan Murano. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing your upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the Nissan Murano. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.